Hello, this is Wicked Ocelot, and guys, as in my previous video I discussed how to link your YouTube channel account to your TikTok account. This is part 2 of the video, sort of, because when we tried linking our YouTube account to our TikTok account, there was a problem, and this problem I have also faced. So I have a solution for this issue, my friends. When you open TikTok, you are going to go to bottom right me button over here, and then on the top right hand side of the app you can see these 3 dots. So I'll hit them. I'll hit edit profile. There is a help section somewhere, and we'll try to find this help section. Yes, privacy and settings. After hitting these 3 buttons, I have 3 options: share profile, balance, and privacy and settings. So I'll hit that cog, and now I'll go to report a problem. And I'll go to other, so here in the feedback I'll write, I cannot link my YouTube account link to the YouTube channel. Here you will write that, and to my TikTok account, please resolve issue, and here I'll click send. This is my support ticket, and I have sent these guys the support. So inside 24 hours my issue will be resolved, and then you can easily get your YouTube channel URL link in your TikTok account. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video, my friends. Please let me know in the comment section below if this problem was resolved for you guys or not. Thank you so much. I'll be signing off. Take care.